Right, so sorry for the background noise, but I thought you would like to see the hitch itself before we put it on. We had like a power outage here, and man, there's the people that do the trees right now. So this is how this looks like. This is all very stable. Very stable stuff. We have 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. And then the rest here, this is just to not scratch it. You can take that off. Same here with the tape. And we just have to get it in there and put those screws on and tighten them with a torque wrench. The torque amount is in the user manual. For this there is a PDF with it, right? Let's take a look there. Oh man, we got that nut on here. There we are. A little rusty there in the hole, so we might want to recut that as M14. We have some sealant in the thread, maybe that they don't fall out over time. The light here, there and there. This one fits okay like this. Let's see if I can get in there. Oh guys, it is annoying here. You know, to get this thing in here, right? Okay, let's see. This one was easy. Okay, so this is how the hitch looks like. 4 screws, 2 there, 2 there. The user manual is here in the hole. Okay, don't scratch this label here. You want to keep that on there. Maybe you take a picture of it and keep it, and then we're just putting it in now. So the edge of the metal is going here all the way up here. So we need to cut this away, yeah. You know, the stuff what they put on there, because it's gonna be in the way. You can reseal it later if we need to, but so all right, now it has to go. See here. So up to here, right? And then once the hitch is on here, we can fill this up with silicone again. Yeah, I don't know how you get it up there. Side. Maybe it's better on the other side. Oh, it's around. I don't know what side first. If I put it there, Let's see, I don't know. Does my hand get there? Maybe 2 people on a car jack would be better. So as a pro tip, if you want to know how to get this in by yourself, if you don't have a second person to help you, so you lift the thing in place in front of the holes and you stick screwdrivers in the holes, and that will keep it in there. Right, you put 4 in there, 2 here, 2 there, so the whole thing is held in place with screwdrivers, and then you pull one out at a time, and plug in the bolt and tighten it a little, so you don't have somebody to hold it for you. Of course, GoPro turned off, so I don't know if my last one here was recorded even. Oh, that's what I love about GoPro. So I want to finish this up thanks to this company, CURT. Very easy install, and thanks for shipping it in this big box. That makes it so much easier for me to do this whole thing. Okay, let's have a look what we did here. So I had a little bit glue left over, and I just smeared it in there, in the corner. Could have done a better job on that side, I think, right? Here, I show you this side here. Okay, take a quick look. See here, I have my light here. You know that you don't get water in there on top. I mean, this car is already 10 years old. Who knows how many more years it will last. One thing to the bolts, they are M14 and they are 9.8. 9.8 is the hardness. Right, they are all like that. There it goes over there. Could be a little better there, the coverage in that corner there, but it is what it is. And then here we have the electrical connectors. We hold all this here. I don't know how this opens. I've never used this before. It's a Delphi connector where you can put stuff in there, you know, like if you need like brake lights and turn signals and all that on your trailer. That's where the box goes, where everything is handled.